quadratic function, f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x, with a vertex of 2, negative 4, and x-intercepts of 0, 0, and 4, 0, we want to determine the intervals where the function is increasing and decreasing. So for this function, we have that the vertex is 2, negative 4. So I'm going to start by graphing the vertex. So 2, negative 4. Here's the vertex. And the x-intercepts are the points 0, 0, and 4, 0. So we're at the origin and 4, 0. Our function is f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x. In this case, our leading coefficient, our a, is 1. A is greater than 0. Our parabola opens up. So here is the graph of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x. The vertex here is the point 2, negative 4. The parabola is symmetric with respect to a vertical line that goes through the origin, or through the vertex. And this is called the axis of symmetry. To describe a vertical line, that is, x is equal to the first coordinate of the vertex. In this case, x is equal to 2. So when we're determining where the graph or the function is increasing and decreasing, this value of the first coordinate of the vertex is going to play an important role. So if we read our graph from left to right, initially the graph is decreasing. So our y values are getting lower until we get to the vertex. The vertex is our changing point. At the vertex, our y values begin to increase. So for the left side of the parabola, it is decreasing. So initially we are decreasing. So we want to ask the question, for what values of x, if we read our graph from left to right, is this function decreasing? And it will be all of these values in this direction here, up until we get to the vertex of the parabola, and then it changes direction. So this x value right here is 2. It's the first coordinate of the vertex of the parabola. So for the x values of negative infinity until 2, I'm going to go ahead and use a square bracket at that 2. That point is included on the parabola. The graph is decreasing. Now once I get to the vertex, we begin to increase. So for all of these values from 2 to infinity, the graph is increasing. The function is increasing. So it is increasing for the interval 2 to infinity. So for the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x, we determine the intervals where the function is increasing and decreasing.